What's up, everybody? It's Amy here from Amy's Art Alchemy and your host of the A3 ATC Swap Group. Welcome back to my channel. I am so glad that you're here today. I have a simple tutorial video to share with you. This tutorial was inspired by my friend Angela from Georgia. You can find her over on Instagram at GeorgiaPeach72. She sent in her artist trading cards along with two super adorable gifts that she made for me. First, she made me this super cute little Christmas ornament. It is a little stuffed embroidered envelope that says Amy's Art Alchemy, so I'm so excited to hang this on my Christmas tree. And then also she made me this adorable little tea pocket pouch. And I was very inspired by this. I posted a picture over on my Instagram about this, and another artist wanted to know how to make these, and I thought this would be a really simple tutorial to share with you guys. These make great gifts to give to the coworker or just a thinking of you. These also would be cute little stocking stuffers. It is a really easy handmade gift. It doesn't take much, and it is a really simple tutorial to follow. And these are super adorable. So who wouldn't want to receive one of these? There's so many different ways that you can make these. So if you're interested in learning on how you can make your own tea bag pocket pouch, then keep on watching. So first, you need to decide on what paper you want to use. I chose this Hot Buy paper pack from Michaels, and I've had it for a while now, probably maybe 2 years, but it is got some really pretty Christmas papers in there, and I've had it in my stash and thought this would make a really cute pocket pouch that I could give for Christmas or in Happy Mail. I went with these two pattern papers, and I thought they would be a really nice contrast. And then this one, I decided to cut out a little sentiment that said, "Have yourself a Merry Little Christmas," to decorate it. Now, there's so many different type of ways you can decorate it. Now, this project doesn't need very many supplies. You're going to need either glue or some score tape. You're going to need your pair of scissors, of course. A bone folder is optional but not necessary. And then also I use some 3D foam tape just to make that embellishment stand out a little bit, but that is not required as well. It is super easy to follow. Basically, you're just going to get out one piece of pattern paper, and looking at this pocket, you're going to see how much you want to show. So the bigger square you're going to want to show the most. So the bigger square is going to be the one that shows the most. So the first set of piece of paper you are going to want to cut at 7 inches by 7 inches. I'm just going to cut that real quick. And these don't have to be for Christmas. I just went with the Christmas theme since it's almost Christmas, and I had this paper pack and wanted to finally use it. I thought it was a great time. And then the inside triangles, you're going to want to cut this at 3 1/8 inch on both sides. So a 3 1/8 inch square. Now, if you do not care about the inside triangles being a different color, you can always just use one piece of solid cardstock, or to make it even easier on yourself, you can use a double-sided piece of cardstock, because usually the double-sided pieces already go together. So I thought, even though these aren't the same colors, it was obviously in the same paper pack, so I thought it was cute. So this square, the 3 1/8 inch square, you're going to cut on the diagonal. So I am just lining it up with my ruler here and trying to get that as straight as I can. You can always make adjustments, and really you really can't even tell in the finished product. So you're going to take the 7 by 7 inch square, and here I'm just folding it just to kind of loosen up those paper fibers so it folds easy. And you're going to fold corner to corner on the diagonal, so you're going to make a triangle. So just line it up as best as you can and make that crease. And then this is where you would use your bone folder if you would like. I like to have really nice strong creases in projects like this, so I always like to have my bone folder handy. You're going to take one of the corners and you're going to fold it up. I like to leave about an inch. It really doesn't have to be an inch. It's usually about a finger width is what I go for. And you're just going to fold it up and then crease that down as well. I find that it's easier to kind of use it doesn't have to be a heavy pattern paper, but kind of at least a medium weight. Copy paper is a little bit more thin, so I find that the thicker paper works best. You're going to do the same for the other side, and I like to just hold it up just to eyeball it, just to make sure that it is pretty even on both sides. Again, I don't really measure anything, I just kind of eyeball it. But very, very easy to do. And then here is where you decide if you want to use white glue or score tape. I went with score tape just because I was doing a tutorial, and honestly, this score tape is super strong anyway, and so it is really fast to use and very handy. So I am just putting some double-sided score tape on there. Again, white glue is also perfectly fine to use. It just takes a little time to dry, and I have a whole bunch of this score tape, and it works wonders. This is a really fast project to make, so you can make several of these for whether it's for coworkers in the office or whether it's for your family or relatives or just a really cute stocking stuffer. These make great gifts, and I was just so excited for Angela to make one for me. So now you're just going to take that one top piece and fold it down. And I'm just trying to loosen that up so it folds easy. Again, this is kind of a medium weight cardstock, so I was just kind of loosening up those fibers. And then again, just you can use your bone folder, and honestly, you really don't have to use glue if you press it really well. It kind of stays down by itself, but of course I went ahead and used some score tape. And then here's where you decide if you want to decorate the inside or if you want to leave it plain. There's so many options that you can do with this. So I decided I definitely wanted to tape mine down just because I wanted a nice solid pocket, because I will be mailing this out to somebody. And then those triangles, you cut it on the diagonal, so they should be pretty much even. And I'm just going to attach that on there. And the work is pretty much done. It's, as I said, it's a very, very easy tutorial, but it makes such a cute gift. It just made my day when Angela sent me this along with that Christmas ornament. I decided that I had more of the little 1/4 inch score tape than I did 1/2 inch, so I went with the 1/4 inch, and it works well along these edges anyway, so I thought that was sufficient enough to get the job done. But who wouldn't want to receive a little tea bag pouch? They are just so cute. You can decorate these for any occasion. It can be a birthday. I'm probably going to do a Mad Hatter Alice in Wonderland one. I think that will be really cute. So I will definitely be making one and putting the Mad Hatter quote on there. I just think that would be really cute, and stuffing it full of tea bags. Of course, I love Alice in Wonderland, so I'm always trying to find a way to get Alice in Wonderland in any of my crafts, and tea is just the perfect craft to use it for, right? I had completely forgot about this pack of paper for the longest time, and I have made a promise to use all the things that I have before I start buying new things. Here I decided that I wanted to pop it up just a little bit. It doesn't have to be. Angela's was really pretty. She used a metal embellishment on there with a word, and then she added some really pretty string around it. So you can make this as fancy or as plain as you want. There are so many different ways that you can do it. It doesn't take much to just make this really stand out because it's handmade. Everybody loves something handmade, and it's a quick project, so it's easy to make. And there you have it. And so now you just fill it with tea bags. So I was actually demonstrating with the tea bags that Angela sent me. So right before I decide to try one, I'm excited to try these. But really easy to make. So I thought that was really cute. Here I have another one, and I'm just showing you that I decided to go the opposite way with the stripes just for a different look. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. Don't forget to follow along and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. I would love to see what you guys make. Thank you so much, Angela, for this lovely gift. It really made my day. I hope you guys are healthy, happy, and well, and we will talk to you soon. As always, happy crafting.